Hello lovely people, welcome to Week Mix Tech here. So today I'm here to share with you an important tips on how to get more views on YouTube. And this method I'm about to take you through, this is a simple thing that we all see day in day out on our channel, but we tend to ignore them. So this is one thing that you don't have to joke with. So as I'm about to take you through, stay cool, don't skip this video. Do all to subscribe if you are new here and share this video for more people to see. Your comment is also allowed below in the comment section. So what I'm talking about is about interacting with your audience on your channel. I have 3 accounts. This is my 3rd account. I'm not other active here, but once in a while I try to come here and update my people. My main channel is Week Mix Media. I post every day on that channel. My views were low on that channel and I didn't know what to do. So early this year, I started interacting with my audience. Every single comment that was coming on my video, even if it's one comment, I try as much as possible to reply all these comments that is coming on my video. So if you check my dashboard right now, that is Week Mix Media, you can see that my videos, they are starting to do well, and you can see that there are more comments on my video. So every single comment, I beg you, don't ignore. Make sure you reply every single comment. If it is 50 comments, take your time, reply to all of them. As a new creator, don't joke with comments. So the more you also interact with them, YouTube pushes your video more to a lot of people to also get a chance to see. I've been doing this lately, I think 2 weeks ago, and this is helping me crazy. When you go on my channel, you can see that previously my views were down. I can post and get 100 views, 50 views, but now I'm getting 8k, I'm getting 4k, I'm getting 14k, you see. So I think if you also implement this method, it will help you a lot. And not that alone, you need to share your content. If you really want to get views on your channel, don't just post and relax and expect magic to happen. So I'm going to show you. I post on a lot of platforms to get more views. Okay, I post on Facebook, I share to groups. Don't overshare, because if you go all over there and go and overshare inside groups, you might be blocked. So I go to Facebook, then I share to my main page, then I share to groups, from my main page to groups. And what I do is that I post the thumbnail first. Post the thumbnail, then you add your caption. Copy your caption from YouTube, add it, then place your link under the caption. Or you can place, some people also place the link in the comment section, but I prefer to place it under the caption, okay, so that someone will be able to see it and click. If you post the headline and the link straight on from Facebook to YouTube, Facebook tends to limit those kind of posts. But if you post images, then you attach it with links and also headlines, that one, Facebook, probability that they can push your video, they can push your post for more people to see is high. And when more people see your post, probability that they are going to click on that link is also high for you to get more views. And also, don't play with your stories, because stories attracts a lot of views. Me personally, when I post on my story, I get more views than when I post a video on my page. So you post a story and you link it to your video. You can see when you are posting, let's say, an image on your story or a video, they will allow you to add a link. So let me take you through my Facebook and show you how it is done. Maybe you are new on it and don't know what I'm talking about. So this is my Facebook page. So when I come here and I go to create story, let's say I want to add this image, okay, so you click here, then you see link, then you paste the link over here. Just paste the link over here. Let's say this is the link, I'll paste it like this and press add, and make sure the link is added. Sometimes you paste the link and it will not be added. So make sure after that you check again and see if the link is added. So when you're done like this, then you're good to go. And as I said earlier, look at some of the posts that I made. Look at some of my, oh sorry, let me refresh this page. Look at some of the posts that I made. So this is the post, this is image, then I post the headline like this, then I add the link over there. So make sure you do it exactly like this, and your post will be able to reach a lot of people on your page. Okay, so another thing is also go to X and do the same thing as you did on Facebook. Post the image and attach the title and also the link to it. Don't post the title and the link raw like that. Yes, so you also try this on your other social media platform. Share it on your status on WhatsApp group, and also I have Storming Backers. There's a new platform, Ghanaians are on it, Storming Backers, and you're going to get a lot of views from there. So this is the best way that you can get views if you really want views. But the most important thing is that don't joke with it. Don't joke with the comments on your video. Take it seriously. Take your time, reply to all comments. So if you are the type who don't like replying to comment, this time around take it seriously, and I'm sure you're going to get the maximum results that you are looking for. Thank you very much for staying through this video to this end. My name is Andy. See you on the next one. Bye bye.